Curious how professionals use different dashes to make writing stand out? Greetings. In an MS Word document, you can insert an N dash or M dash using different methods. Place the cursor at the desired location. Go to the Insert menu. Expand Symbols, then click More Symbols. Now go to the Special Characters tab. Select the symbol, then click Insert. Press Ctrl plus Alt and minus to insert an M dash. For N dash, press the Ctrl plus minus keys. Use the minus sign on the numeric keypad. Press and hold the Alt key, then type 0151. Release the keys to insert in M dash. For in N dash, press and hold Alt, then type 0150. Type 2014, then press Alt plus X to insert an M dash. For an N dash, type 2013, then press Alt plus X.